Very upset. Somebody had a crow bird bag and never shared a chocolate with me. Not even one. I am upset. Very upset. But I was going there anyway, so.
Hey, where's the hand?
What hand?
Bring out the hand.
What hand?
The googly eye guy.
Oh,
Where's your
that
friend?
guy.
Yeah.
He's going pee-pees.
Okay. Bring him out. I'm recording.
Come on. He's not done. He's sweating.
Well, I'm recording. It's already at 1 minute and 10 seconds. 1 minute and 11 seconds.
Hey,
Come on. Come out.
They want you.
Hi.
So what do you think about my friend? Hey, easy. Hey, hey.
Hey, that's the plan.
I'm sorry. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Ah.